Hi, this is Alejandro from Spotahome, Madrid, and I'm going to show you a really nice and beautiful studio. It is located in Calle Pozas, which is in Malasaña neighborhood. It's the best area to live, honestly. You are really close to Tribunal Metro Station, also Noviciado, and just the best. I live here, a lot of people I know live here, and it's the best area to go out and hang out, lots of bars. And this studio is just the best, and can't wait to show you. All right, that's the main door of the studio right there. And as we get in, this is living room. Okay, just it is so beautiful. All right, we have bedroom over there. I'll show you in a minute. And on this side we have kitchen, and that door is the bathroom. But first, take a look around here. Okay, here we have this really cool table and this chair, also this bar here. Okay, where we have the TV and some drawings and really nice stuff. Okay, here, there we can see that chair, this table, wooden table, really cool. Look at the rug and the couch, it's so nice. Okay, lamp over there. Let's take a look at the, up there you have air conditioning, all right? And next to the door you have one heating unit. So that's really nice to have both. This is the bedroom. Okay, love the ceiling going like this, don't know how to say that. And it's connected with the living room. It has these little openings here. Okay, nightstand right there, really cool. And also over there, double bed. And just take a look a little bit at the decoration because it's really nice, everything. Okay, heating unit, chest of drawers right there, table and chair. Okay, here you can hang your clothes. The window really bright. All right, now let's take a look at the kitchen, which is fully equipped and really nice. Okay, here we have a toaster, stove, coffee maker, and cutlery over here. Okay, some pots and pans. All right, and also here, some storage for your food. And this closet also. Some of these are mine, this bag and my coat. All right, on this side we have this kitchen counter with a sink, this interior patio view, and all right, fridge down here. All right, and here we have the plates and glasses. And now let's take a look at the bathroom. Okay, shower over there, toilet, mirror, and behind the door we have the sink. Okay, and that would be it. Well, thanks for watching. This is Alejandro from Spotahome, Madrid. Hope you liked it, and see you next time. Bye.